Okay, for this next exercise, you're going to want to shift yourself back in your chair just enough that it feels comfortable, that you're still able to sit tall without collapsing back into the back of your chair. It doesn't matter if the back of your body's touching to the back of the chair. We just don't want to be leaning in and resting on it unless it feels like you really have fatigued these upper abdominal muscles and that sitting up here is too much effort for you just now. And if that is the case, that's absolutely fine. Then lean back, but still try and keep the tummy muscles engaged. We're going to come into doing a leg lift, which we can use in lots of different exercises. We want to be straight through the spine, so tall through the spine, whether you're in this upright position or if you're slightly leaned back. We want to think about those active arches from the soles of the feet up so that we're stimulating the muscles. And then we're going to lift our leg up on an exhale, and all you're doing is lifting the foot a couple inches off the floor and then back down. And then the same thing on the other side, so a couple of inches up and then back down. So maybe exhale up and inhale as you come back, and exhale up and inhale as you come back. Now when you do that, also try a few rounds where you inhale up and exhale down, and inhale up and exhale down. You might notice when you change the breathing pattern that muscles fire slightly differently. If we are encouraging the body to activate in Pilates on the exhale, so drawing in, getting that stimulation, means that when you exhale up, the thigh's going to be doing the work. When you exhale down, backside, back of the legs are going to be doing the work. So depending on what needs the most work, what needs the most strength, will be unique to you. Use the breathing pattern to help you. So I'm just going to show you that side on. You can see I'm not lifting my foot very high off the floor. You can see that the posture's staying and it's coming up and then back down and coming up and back down. And again, that might be your entire practice. You can link some of these together or you can keep them separate. Listen to your body always. If you've got any questions, Jen at IamJenWilson.com.